Good morning, dear children. This is your maths teacher. Now take out your maths textbook and open page number 30. So, dear children, we are studying patterns here. I have already shown you a lots of examples regarding to this pattern so that you can easily understood. Okay, so today let me show you some another slides also regarding to the pattern so that you can easily understood the whole lesson. So, dear children, look at this picture. What comes next? So, here we have given some, you can see number. First is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. Then is there 8? No, there should be not. Because you can see they are making a pattern here. That means here 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then here should be 9. So how, from where the 9 comes? So let me explain you. 9 कैसे आ गया? तो हमको क्या करना है? We have to just add up the 2 here. That means 1 plus 2, 1 minute, 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, then again 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Here is 5. Then again 5 plus 2 becomes 7. Here is the 7. Now what should we do? 7 plus 2 becomes 9. That means 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So here there should be 9. Understood? That means we should add up. We have to adding 2 here. Okay, you can see I have to add 2. Okay, so in this type, the after 7 there what comes next? 9. Understood? Now look at this picture. There is 10, 20, 30. Then what comes after 30? Then what you have to do? You have to just add 10. That means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Okay. Here 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Then 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Okay, that means after 30 there should be 40. In this type you have to complete these patterns. Here you can see after 30 there should be a 40. Okay, there should be a 40. Then what comes after 40? So you should add 10. You should add 10. That means 40 plus 10. So 40 plus 10 becomes 50. Understood? So in this type you have to keep adding 10 to the numbers. So look at this picture. After 40 there should be 50. Then after 50 what you have to do? You have to just add 10 again. That means 50 plus 10. That is 50 plus 10 becomes 60. Understood? Then in this picture you can see 10, 20, 30. That means you have to keep adding 10 in it. Understood? Then after 50, there should be 60 and 70. So how it is possible? You have to just add 10. 50 plus 10 becomes 60. Then 70 plus 10 becomes 80. Okay. Then again 50 plus 10 becomes 60. Then 60 plus 10 becomes 70. And 70 plus 10 becomes 80. So dear children, in this type you can complete your pattern by adding 10 to it. Then here again 60 plus 10 becomes 70. Understood? Then 70 plus 10 becomes 80. Okay, so in this type you have to just add the number and write down the answer. Understood? That means what we have done, we have to add 2 here. We have to add 2 here to get our answer. Okay. And in this we have to add 10 to get the number. Understood? So dear children, in this type we can, by adding the number, we can do the patterns, we can get the patterns. So this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. So what you have to just do, as I shown you some slides, some examples, that adding 2, adding 1, you can also do these examples in your copy also. Okay, so for this it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.